Hi, my name is Aisha Graham, and today I'll be talking about the article from my assignment, which is Seeing Through a Mouse's Nervous System. This article is very interesting to me because it talks about the nervous system through a mouse that neuroscientists got together and they made it transparent. And with that, they're able to see a whole nervous system and they didn't do any incisions into it whatsoever. And with that, it should help within medical practice in the future, because they wanted to use a rat for a test subject so that way they can use it later on in humans, so that way they can be able to use it to find effects of different neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's and see how it affects the nervous system. In this article, it has a picture of a mouse which is laid out under a microscope, and it uses their process called UDisco, where it's like a green dye that they put in the side of the mouse, and where they're able to see all of the nervous system in there, and you can see all the neurons, which is fascinating to me. And with that article, I was able to make a connection with that to the textbook, which we talked about the nervous system. And with that, I chose this article because it relates to the nervous system, which we talked about, and it sparked my attention because with that, it could also help within future references later on in the medical field. And if I was to do more further research with this topic, I will use scholarly websites, science-related websites, to see if they did any further research, any further tests with other animals besides mice, rats, and to see whether or not if they ever used a human with the same process, so that way they won't use any incisions on the patient, which will cause later harm into it. So that is my end of my assignment.